Hello from the high north of Norway. My name is Freyia and I live on an island in a region of Norway called Nordland, above the Arctic Circle, where spirituality and life still have a strong, primal, innate and intuitive flavor, and the land tapestry is still woven with the ancient threads of the Sami indigenous culture, Norse myths, legends and sagas.
Grandpa was a sailor, you know that. He used to get a lot of these, and Grandma was so fond of these with lemon. Yeah, so good afternoon, guys. We were here. We were discussing that the ground is sitting material again. It's impressive. We haven't been sitting on the ground since November because it was completely frozen. So of course you can sit with reindeer skins or similar. But this is incredible. We can finally again play with the sand. I can say quite confidently that it's spring. I wouldn't want to say it too loud. The gods might hear me and think, no, Frey, wait a second. We will send some more snow your way. But I don't think it will be like it's been, of course, during the winter. So I don't think that the snow will really set. I think that for every time that there will be new snowfalls, the snow is gonna simply melt away. We are in this wonderful area. It's 5 minutes from our home. It's called Langsan. The ocean is wild here. I had to find a spot so that I could sit and enjoy a cup of coffee. We were discussing summer, guys, summer plans, what we want to do. It's really, spring is naturally a season where a lot of ideas bloom naturally, following, replicating nature. So we were thinking about possibly heading to Lofoten this summer for the Viking festival that is there, Lofoten. We have not been there last year and we missed it, so maybe this year we will manage to go there. We were thinking about what we want to do in the house, have a chance to fix the basement and paint our home in Saltfjellet in Semska. That would be also a very nice project. A lot of ideas. We will see how many we will be able actually to accomplish, but for now it's really a day at a time. This is already such a huge blessing to be able to be here and enjoy a little bit of time on the ground, feeling the ground. There is an eagle. feels unreal. Unreal to be here. It's a very cold day, a very, very cold day, but doesn't matter. Doesn't matter as long as I can feel the land without a blanket of ice and snow. Yeah. I can really feel the vibration from the ground again. Oh, I miss that. I really miss that. Very strange weather, so quiet, so calm, everything is melting away, the snow is melting away. I was thinking what is the best way to honor this time of the year, and I feel that when the snow starts going, it's probably very nice to copy what nature does and to let go. I have always felt it's very healthy to copy what nature does. It's like it puts us in a sort of balance. It makes us more in tune with everything that goes around. I want to let go of something, so I will pick a thought that has caused me maybe stress lately. There is a location in Finnmark. They want to build a wind turbine park there too, on reindeer grazing lands. I've had a lot of rage inside of me for that, a lot of stress, rage, lack of understanding of why we would need to do that there too. So I feel like I want to let this rage go and transform itself instead of healing energy for that part of the Vidda of the Tundra that is going to be brutally attacked by a wind park, windmill park, by the hands of the green colonialism. This area where we are, I'm going to show you now, it's utterly stunning. This area would be considered really holy grounds for us, because there were a lot of Viking settlements. As you can see, the area is absolutely, it's an enclosure. You can see that it's a proper enclosure. So it was perfect at the Viking times because they could be aware of, there was nothing that first of all could come really their way before they would notice that something was coming their ways, because it was really their way, because it was really in between the fjords. It was a super sheltered, super protected area that saw tons and tons of Viking settlements. So for us, these are really holy grounds. The energy. It is incredible. I'm so happy that I managed to pass all of this on to you. It makes me so happy. It makes all of this so worth it that I can pass the land of our ancestors to you, passing you the information, knowledge that otherwise would be gone, or if you want to, so very little talked about.